Watch what go on nation people. Right now, you know. I say big respect to all of you who support the World Boss album. You see what I say? Yeah. I say top respect to all of you who go out and show on support for the album. You see what I say? And all of you who have streamed the album. A top respect. But right now, this morning, it's a different type of fire means a man come and blaze. You see what I say? Because I tell you now, say me on any type of vlogger. You see what I say? I show you that already. I make you know say I'm a revolutionist for Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, international business. I make you know I don't really deal with lollipop thing. You see me? I tell you now, Azria, Gaza, Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. No gimmicks not in it, my brother. No form of joke shit not in it, So when me see, on the internet, or Rastas, come out and point fingers on each other, my brother. And that me see, Rastas come out and point fingers on each other, After footer hype, burn some fire, and the Rasta them not like it, I'm going to tell you something, nation people. And any man on YouTube will get up and turn on them camera and chat about them shit all because of fear and all them shit there. I know say fear a natural thing for any living person because sometimes you don't ever see no and you still sense fear. But you're a man, you see what I say? And a man run the earth. I want have to know that. And a long time, the man them a slip up. And I just know. The reason why you hear about it so big right now, nation people, because it reach a Rasta doorway right now. You see what I say? Because a Rasta pitney the police them trim. You see what I deal with? That's why you hear about it right now. Them lose them way a long time, Gaza Nation. Them not stand up and watch the people them tell lie on Vybz Kartel and prosecute him and put him in a prison. None of them never come out and rebel, my brother. As them fella entertainer, brother. You see what I say? Remember this, say, I the same media them use, like the media come out, and I say, them get new equipment, from overseas to test this and test that, and the whole of them fall feet. And when them find out, say, rigmarole in the thing, when them find out, say, tampering a go on and all of them shit there. You never hear none of them come and question the justice system. You see what I say? A 2 man in a Jamaica me hear come put on them camera and go up on them program and question the justice system. A Muta Baruka and a brother named Wayne Low and stuff. You never hear none of the rest of them come out and do that. Them stand up and watch them thing they reach Vybz Kartel and none of them never say nothing no at all, my brother. Them stand up and watch those type of shit, reach Vybz Kartel, and Ninja Man, You see what I say? Some case were real ridiculous, my virgin. And them, as the man them, musical brother, my virgin, never come out and say shit, out of their mouth, You see what I deal with? All because, right now, the way, and the fastest way, to some people making money, I rush up them ear and say Rastafari, of the world, it's not a plan. Hey, yo, what's going on, A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Hey, you know what going on? When I come for represent, Hey, full effect about you, man. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely watch me. I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. The Gaza Nation. We have to make them know. Somebody have to make them know. You see what I say? You think if them with a question, the justice system for all of them look funny and ridiculous move the way they make. Police could have end up a trim Rasta pitney. You think, yo, you can't be prophet and you not educate the nation, my brother. You see what I say? Because the poor people do what them do for already. The poor people, them go to them support and get on a spanking rich. Make you can take care of yourself and your family. You can't be prophet and you stop teach and educate. You see what I say? You can't be prophet and you stop teach and educate your nation, not even defend your nation. You see what I say? Where the patriot them there? I never this you need a teach way. So no fair teach way. Oh no fair teach man. You know what I mean? Oh no teach man for stand up firm for each other. You see what I say? And them shit there. And uno I fall back way and I go one side and I stand up and I watch. You know what I mean? Right now, you know, all of them there are pine fingers. Let me tell you something. A long time me I said dancehall and reggae music. Them need union, my brethren. A long time that uno can start that and build that on yourself. And this is another time for pine fingers on each other, because that cannot work, my brethren. You know what I mean? A divide or not divide, my brethren. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that there about it. Yeah, a divide or not divide. Me can't go east and uno go west. You see me, a separation that, my brother. No joke shit not there about it. So I don't know which way you want to represent or whatever. But when family have union, you know what I mean? You can all come together and make decisions. You can make things happen. Because when you talk about union, you talk about a group of people. And from you talk about we the people, we can make changes. You see what I say? Because nothing can happen in a country, nowhere at all, without we the people. So from here I say we the people. You see what I say? As the dancehall artists and the reggae artists them, and then have the fans them behind on. I say we the people. Changes have to make. No joke shit, no dead about it. We the people run things. When you not gonna get that on the head. And I no fancy car now, no big money now, no luxurious jewelry. And none of them shit they run things. And we the people run things. Without we the people, them shit they are not nothing. And your own beginning, none of them shit there. Without we the fucking people. You see what I say? And no fucking joke shit. Uno stand up and watch that. Not for Uno come and make all bad remarks, pass all bad remarks against the General Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? And I go like the justice system so truthful and the police system so truthful. No police are trim Rasta pitney. And Uno still never come out until you hear foot of hype go off. And you hear we go on. Uno hear we go on. Eh? So I not teach man about loyalty. One loyalty there to the musical brother. You stand up and watch them do them thing that to Ninja Man and Vybz Kartel. No come out and say nothing. The case them questionable. Them ridiculous. No say nothing, my brother. No. On the wall on the mouth. You see what I say? I'm out of Baruka, the only Rasta man must get up and question the justice system and question the government. You see what I deal with? About the two cases them. No say no, and that on a musical brother. No Rasta pitney get trim and hear one and chat say. All you know do a pine fingers on each other. You know what I mean? And think that can work. You know, you forget the blame, you forget that. The whole lot now get the blame. A long time when you shut up on the mouth and stop deal with certain shit. I want me to know, a long time the fire stop blaze. A long time the fire stop burn. That's all some local man can do, some big freaky boy can just take up themselves and go rust them ear. You think if the fire is a burn and a blaze, some boy that afraid to do that. Is what I say? Because what Rasta purpose? You know what I mean? What the meaning of Rasta? What Rasta true identity? When you have all type of flunky a come up right now and a rush up them blood clot here for all different type of reason. And not being a patriot in a Rasta world now for the people them. I want to stand up and make all of them shit that happen. Make all kind of dumbass they can come twine up them blood clot here. Because we stop burn the blood clot fire. If we need to burn the fire, flunky that afraid to do that. Because I know the meaning of Rasta, I know the real truth about the real Rasta. So I'm afraid for blood clot do that if him know him can't live the life. And him a flunky. No. But all kind of dude can just come now and blood clot twine up them here. Why it's a money making bumbo clot in Gaza Nation. Yo, you know me not easy, you know. I high grade me smoke and me not burn beady, you know. Me not really too follow people topic, you know, my virgin. Me tell you now all the while, you know, me knowledgeable enough to speak about any and everything, you know. Because which part I come from a college, you know, you learn about every and anything, you know, verbally, you know. And me choose to talk about what I want, you know. I want to know that, you know. But I want to know, say, all when you hear them a chat and I go like, say, well then, them intelligent, them good, and them clean towards certain shit and them thing there. No. The whole of them bumbucklat stand up and watch them thing they reach Vybz Kartel and Ninja Man. Me never hear one of them bumbucklat open up their mouth yet. Now it reach at them doorstep. Police a trim Rasta blood clot pitney. And Rasta point them finger upon them one another. You ever hear that? Nothing like that bumbucklat yet. That's all we do. You see what I say? I will teach the youth them in the bumbucklat get to say. When you have a problem, all you have to do is stand up on your blood clot black brother shoulder and put him down in the blood clot ground further. That's all we teach the youth them. And you know what we do as entertainers and people who in society hype up the blood clot bad man them and the murderer them and give them top blood clot ratings. I don't know, look on the youth them will go they go work hard for their money. Nobody no idolize those people. You see what I say? Nobody no idolize those type of man, my brother. We go out there, go work hard for set himself properly and take care of his family. Who idolize those people? Yeah, but everybody want jump up and rave for gunman and bad boy and idolize blood clot that and give them a bag of strength. So to make it feel, so all of the local youth them will grow up feel like, so well then, if him not do badness, him not do nothing, because him not no blood clot respect, right? No form a lollipop thing in it, you know. Society girl I run down blood clot married, ghetto girl I run down pitney. And now bumbuckler teach people them nothing and I go like say a some form of gimmicks thing, but you come and a spine finger. You know have to rust up your head for be educated, my friend. No joke shit not in it. You see what I say? But anyway, at the general, the 10 star wanna represent. I don't know each and every time I represent, I don't know a full effect thing. And a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. And me I say to Buju Banton, Sizzla, Capleton, Anthony B, Foota Hype, and etc. Dancehall and reggae music need union. You know what I mean? Because them can't stop we, the people. You hear that? 10 star. General. What? Free world boss. Watch.